Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you about Vlookup. As you can see on my screen, I have the data for manager, user and sales. In the user list, as you can see, there are some common names like Sunil and Amit and Smith, this and this. So my requirement is I need the sales data on the basis of the this combination like manager should be Varsha and user Sunil. So same like this. So if I apply the VLOOKUP this and fetch the data like this, comma 2, comma 0 for exact match like this and control D. So as you now can see, it is giving me the this value 2730. That is wrong because this Sunil reports to Vyom, not Varsha. I need the value of this Sunil uh, who reports to Varsha. So ideally the answer should be 2845. So it is giving me the wrong answer. Same Ans Amit, that is okay. And for Smith, and as you can see also for Smith, Purvi report, yes, Smith, the answer should be 4405, but it is giving me 2027, and it is giving me this value, and this Smith reports to Vyom, not Purvi. So how we can achieve the correct how we can get the correct answer or how we can get rid of this issue. So let's begin with the practical. So I am going to add a new column, we can say a helper column. So I am inserting a new column. This I click on column A and press shift plus control plus sign key. So insert a new column, and now I am going to concatenate manager and username. So that will provide me the unique value for the VLOOKUP value. So this is the unique value, and now I can we can also combine these manager and username here, but we can do in the formula as well. So I am not using or inserting any new columns. We can combine both the values f3 and ampersand sign plus username, and I will use this column A as a table, means starting of the table, and freeze it F4 and column 4 and exact was 0. So now you can see the output is now correct. So Sunil who reports to Varsa, the sales is 2845. Amit to earns is 1215, and Smith who reports to Purvi 4405, correct, and Vyom is and 2027. So now the answer is correct. So I hope uh, now you are clear about how we can use VLOOKUP if we have duplicate value in the column. So we can create a helper column and create a uh, unique value, and on the behalf of the helper column we can fetch the required data. So I hope you will like this video, and I would request you to please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.